inseta pa rin yung mga garden na nakalagay, ay yung mga display na ngayon. Sige, dito muna tayo. And hi everybody. This is Rosa Bisilen. And I'm here at the Gardens by the Bay Flower Dome. Still Carnival of Flowers is the motive. I think next week is most probably it will be famous as a Christmas decoration. We'll get down afterwards, I think. Okay. Do you know this, guys? So let's go down. Baba tayo, guys. Let's go down. And let's check it out, the poinsettias. Actually, it's quite hot and humid outside. That's why I got inside here. Hi. Alright, finally. Oh, okay, so this is it. Galing. Still in progress.
It doesn't look real.
It's the L. Dito tayo. Para mas magandang tignan. Okay. Yes. And okay, let's check it out here. Wow.
Bunganya bunga ini.
Okay, so wow, what's going on there? In fairness, ang ganda ng mga poinsettia. And this huge Christmas tree. Oops, and there's a, I don't know, what is this? Bus? Is it a train? I think so. Okay, so let's eat. Ang ganda ng mga poinsettia. Sa mga bulaklak dito. Tingnan natin. Wow. Ito yung flower dome. So, let's check it out. Kung ano yung mga feature nila dito. Oh, it's a train show. Swedish Dala Horse. Saan yung Dala Horse? Hindi ko makita. Baka doon sa Bandaron. And Forest of Sweden. Okay. So, yan. Okay. Silakan tayo doon. Kasi yung horse. Ay, teka. Balik tayo dito muna. Mga dali ha. Gulo ko ha. Teka. Sandali. Litratuhan lang natin to. Okay. Done. Ang galing. So, yan yung mga ganap dito. So, meron pa rin siyang carnival doon. At yan nga po yung mga poinsettias. Pero in fairness, gusto ko to. Yan. Ang ganda. Okay, guys. Merry Christmas. Picturean natin pang postcard natin, pang greetings natin for Christmas. Okay, sige. Dito tayo. Beautiful. Alright. Okay. Sige. Hanggang dito na lang muna si Rosa VC at dun tayo sa kabila. Mag-ready lang tayo. Again, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so. Thank you so much. Ito po si Rosa VC. Once again, nagpapasalamat. Bye!